Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay, but then your knowledge is not complete. I don't know what to tell you. You don't even know the rules. And I'm answering it to the best of my ability. Usually they want money to give you your car back. I'm just telling you, I have no control over whether or not your car gets released. I can't help you much with that because this case has got nothing to do with your impound. Right, something's wrong there because the PD would not be holding your car as evidence on a drove while license suspended charge. Who's next? Mr. Myers, come on up.
For the record, Jeff Myers, 45367 Avenue. And with Mr. Myers, Your Honor, today is, so could you tell the name correctly?
Good morning.
Today is today, except for pretrial in this matter, we are requesting a bench trial.
All right. Mr. Myers, do you understand that you do have a constitutional right to a jury trial? And you understand the difference between a jury trial and a bench trial? And you're waiving the jury, correct? All right, let's figure out what the date's going to be. Now I'm cold.
You can't talk about the case at all, or not?
Well, you got an attorney, so you should get your advice from the attorney. So if the attorney thinks it's time to talk about the case, he'll tell you, but usually that's trial. I can't help you much with that because this case has got nothing to do with your impound. Right. No, the case. What we do with this case isn't stopping you from getting your car out of impound. That's between you and the impound lot. Because I didn't impound your car. You understand that? Usually they want money to give you your car back.
October 30th, 11:45.
11:45? All right, Mr. Myers, that work for you? All right. All right, we'll see you then. Heather's going to put a paper notice together and you can walk out with that in your hand.
All right, thank you.
You do know that the impound lot's probably charging you by the day.
They've been folded without, like, I've been the first day, it's like first week, and been in there, I called, and they've been told that they're holding. Little pieces open. I mean, they open the everything. Sorry.
All right, something's wrong there because the PD would not be holding your car as evidence on a drove while license suspended charge.
But I don't think they'll lose the balance unless it's person.
Yeah, but it's not because of the court case. Right. Who's got your car, sir?
It is.
Towing. And they're telling you they're waiting on the court case? They've got nothing to do with this court case. Are you sure they're not? All right. Mr. Bodic, you might talk to Mr.
It might be the detective.
Greco.
Whole
Yeah.
we put a whole lot of vehicles.
On a fail to stop in a DWS?
Out of that, I don't, when they did an inventory search, who knows what.
Oh, they might be waiting for some other charges to come.
There could be a whole lot.
Mr. Bodic, if you would ask Mr. Greco if he can look into that. So if, for example, because when they take your car into custody, they being PDs, they usually do an inventory search. If they found something in your car and they're thinking there might be further charges coming down the road, they might be waiting until they see what happens there. I'm just saying, I've got no hold on your car with these cases. Okay, I don't know what it is. I'm just telling you, I have no control over whether or not your car gets released. So he will talk to the prosecutor and see if the prosecutor can figure out why there's a hold on your car. If there's anything that we can do there, we'll try it. But I'm telling you, I haven't ordered an impound and I haven't told anybody not to release it. Understood?
Is there an attorney on that screen?
Yes.
Which one you want to do next, Mr. Bowder?
We have the actor.
Oh, hold on. Mr. Myers, are you on a payment plan with us?
I'll plan on doing it 7 times.
Are you in a position to commit to one now?
I'll start my job like literally next week. I was like 5 times.
Well, you don't have to start paying now. You just got to put it on paper. So if you want to start it, a month down the road, just get that set up today before you leave. All right?
Yeah, Melon.
We need to file, right?
Who's next, Mr. Bowditch?
We have, Mr. Makins.
That's what I'm saying.
Patrick? Is it Macus, Macus? How do you say it? Say it again. This is not common law. It's by statute. That's not jurisdiction. That's the law that you're being charged under is not common law. It's a statute. It's an ordinance from the city of Romulus. Now, if you want to know what that ordinance says, then you can get that ordinance.
I understand what you're trying to tell me, but I'm saying the Constitution, Fifth Amendment, Constitution have rights to expression. I'm just asking questions.
And I'm answering it to the best of my ability.
This all I know is how you say it was criminal. Guy. I know criminal as common law, and I know criminal as benevolent.
Okay, well, then your knowledge is not complete. I don't know what to tell you. You don't, you're swimming in a pond. You don't even know the rules, but you've chosen to do that. And I have a right to ignore your questions if I've answered them already, which I've done more than one time. So here's where we're at. This is a pretrial. Do you want to talk to the prosecutor today? Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay, then go talk to the prosecutor. And I have a right to ignore your questions. Yes, I'm under oath, but that has nothing to do with my ability to tell you, no, I'm not answering any more questions. Go talk to the prosecutor. That's what a pretrial is for.
We send fund prosecutors waiting list.
I don't know if we want to create a file for it. No, that's what I mean.
If you speak to the prosecutor that knows their side of the meeting.
I'm not, I just don't want nobody to be liable. That's all.
Okay, let's talk to the prosecutor about that.
Too.
Mr. Morris, John Morris, thank you so much, Aaron. Crystal Marie with Zena on behalf of, sir, would you see your last name to me, please? I just believe.
Your Honor, me, Mullen.
Good morning.
Thank you so much. With regard to the arraignment, Your Honor, we would waive formal reading and stand kneel. At this time, my client is prepared to plead guilty to allowing him a licensed driver to drive. Is that correct, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right. Did you discuss your rights and options with counsel? You understand those rights and the options they give you? You understand the possible penalty for today's charge? Are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily to that charge? Sir, did you drive a vehicle in Romulus on, what is that, March 19th, 2024? And at that time, was your license suspended, revoked, or denied? Counsel, you satisfied?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
So am I. I'll accept your plea to the added charge, sir. I'll dismiss the original charge. What's the status of your license now?
He has a valid license.
Awesome.
He has a valid license, Your Honor. He's at a payment plan here with Romulus. He paid off more than half of it, so he would receive the clearance, Your Honor.
Good.
He is signed up with Uber right now.
Good.
If he needs to work, his wife is the primary financial provider. She is a financial advisor. They have 2 children in common. And so he was just here with his son, got to drop him off at school, came back. So he is the primary caretaker of their children.
Okay. All right.
That's the court imposed fines and costs.
Thank you. Did you make a payment in the last couple days?
22nd. My payment date, my next payment date is the 22nd of September, 4 days.
All right. So I'm showing a balance of $1,454. Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. And you got a payment coming up. Okay. All right. So are you working?
I'm right now staying at Momentum Point.
Taking care of kids?
Yeah.
When's the last time you had a job? Where was it at?
Midnight.
Okay. Okay. All right. Anything else I should know about you before I sentence? Yeah. Good job on that. All right. Man, this file's been kicking around with some warrant fees.
Yeah.
Whew. All right, let's see. So you're relying on family for transportation? Yeah.
What?
Oh, you're licensed now.
Signed up with
All right.
just in case depending on what's going on in your household.
Yeah. Yeah.
He has that option, but it's.
So here's,
Provided.
how many kids you got? Youngest? Oldest? So they're in school every day. Okay. All right. So here's what I'm going to do. Usually with all these late fees you picked up, this is like a $700 file and you already owe way too much money. So what I'm thinking is instead of giving you, I'm going to hit you for some money, but instead of hitting you for the full 700, I'm going to give you some extra days on the court work program. which gives you ability to basically work off your debt to me instead of pay it. That means you pick the days, but those days you got to be here at 8 o'clock in the morning. That work? Okay.
8, that's the time, I can set it up yesterday.
Okay. Yeah. I mean, if you're 8:05, you're all right. If you're 8:35, you're probably SOL.
Yeah. I got a brother staying with me, he can take her.
Okay. Okay.
That's the right answer. Made it work. Good job.
All right. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do 300 fines and costs and 7 days on the work program. All right. So the 300 you add into the payment plan you've got. Just keep making your $50 a week or whatever it is. And then when you go downstairs to add the 300 into your payment plan, you're going to schedule those days on the work program. Any questions? Good luck. You're welcome.
We take yours, sir.
Michelle.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Mr. Bowditch, who do you want to start with?
We start with this party.
We can. And we will.
Your Honor, for the record, Justice Bowden, speaking on behalf of Ms. Marshall. Mr. Marion.
Mia Marshall. Good morning.
Your Honor, today is the time, set for pretrial in this matter, prosecution witness to dismiss each charges.
No.
Yes. I just have to accept that.
But he will. Is it all right with you if I dismiss this? All right. You have a lovely day.
Terrorizing this young lady to offer.
It was worth it, wasn't it? All right.
Thank you.
Before somebody changes their mind. Come on up, Mr. Mackins.
Your Honor, for the record, Jeffrey Bowden, speaking on behalf of Mr. Mackins. Today, the time set for pretrial. Let the prosecution, I remember the defendant.
Thank you.
Subject for approval. In this agreement, Mr. Magnus will be pleading responsibility for the civil infraction of impeding traffic. As it can agree upon assessed line $350.
All right. Mr. Mackins, it says here that you're going to plead responsible to an added civil infraction. You've agreed to pay fines and costs of $350, and the misdemeanor issued on June 11 or June 1 would be dismissed. Is that correct? And is that how you want to resolve this today?
Yes.
All right. Can you pay the $350 today? All right. Go downstairs, get a smile from our cashier. She'll get you out of here when she's got your money, and we'll dismiss the original charge. Yeah, if you don't get a smile, come back up and let me know. 350 gets a smile. I'm gonna guess Bingle is next.
Yep. Hearing on behalf of with those legal.
Good morning, ma'am.
Your Honor, today, date time certain, arraignment in this matter, where you stand here. When a chance to pre-trial this case, we're going to execute a plea subject to court approval. In that agreement, Ms. Bingle would be pleading guilty to an added count operating on visibly impaired, completely understanding the original charge would be.
All right. Ma'am, did you discuss your rights and options with Mr. Bowditch? Understood those rights? Understand the options they give you? You understand the possible penalty for the charge? Added charge. Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily today? You're doing this because it's best for you, not because he's trying to get out of here and go golf or something silly, right? I said something silly.
Before you look at.
August 17th, did you drive a vehicle in Belleville? Prior to driving, did you consume alcohol? Did you take a breath test or a blood test? Do you know the results?
Initially.
Stipulate.
0.16.
All right. Are you satisfied that I've received the facts I need to accept this plea?
Yes, sir.
So am I. I'll dismiss the original charge, ma'am. I'm going to do two things now. I'm going to send you down to my probation department to schedule a pre-sentence interview. Did you tell her how that works?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you're going to schedule the interview. You'll find out when your sentencing date is, and I'm also going to put you on a personal bond. First two conditions are obvious conditions. No new charges and show up for the next court date. Third condition is do not purchase, possess, or consume any mood-altering substance unless you've got a doctor's script. Can you live with those rules? Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm and acknowledge the debt payable to the court in the amount of $1,000 if you screw that up? Any questions? You sure? Go downstairs and listen for your name. Probation will call you up to the counter.
Thank you.
Have a nice day. All right, Mr. Hildebrand, are you going forward today without benefit of an attorney?
On Zoom.
No, I am his attorney, Your Honor.
Oh, I didn't know that. Okay. Go ahead,
Yeah, I'm his
counsel.
attorney. Stephen Mamet on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor. Today's the daytime set for pretrial in this arraignment pretrial in this matter, a waive a formal reading of the charges, and stay on mute and proceed to the pretrial, Your Honor. I had a chance to speak with opposing counsel Greco. He's agreed to dismiss the original charges. In exchange, my client will be pleading guilty to one count of failure to report with an added, the court indicated, added $200 fine in exchange for the dismissal of all the civil infractions.
Thank you. Mr. Hildebrand, did you discuss your rights and options with counsel today? Did you discuss your rights and options with your attorney? Did you understand all those? You understand the possible penalty for fail to report, the added charge?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty to that charge freely and voluntarily? Counsel, would you like to voir dire Mr. Hildebrand to get me the facts to support the plea?
Sure. On the date and time
Showing
of
an
question,
incident date of April 21, counsel.
sure. On the date and time of question, were you in this jurisdiction of this court? Mr. Hildebrand?
Were you in
you
the
in the
city of
juris-
Romulus on April 21? Go ahead, counsel.
And in that time, were you involved in a motor vehicle accident? And did you fail to report that accident to police?
Yes.
Okay. Is the court satisfied?
I'm satisfied if you are.
I am, Your Honor.
All right, I'll dismiss both the original charges. What should I consider before I set the terms of sentence?
Your Honor, this was just a lapse of judgment. He got scared and made a bad decision. He's apologetic. Obviously, he's been engaged with this firm since the beginning, and he feels bad, and we'd ask that you just assess fines.
Yep. Are you working, sir?
All work right now.
All right. Where are you employed?
Well, they're calling my crap, but it shut down.
How long were you there? Holy cow. And when did they shut down?
Hey, June.
All right. All right. Anything you want me to consider before I sentence you? All right. All right. As I said, I've dismissed the original charges. Fines and costs on the added charge, $400. Can you pay that today?
Yes.
All right. If you go downstairs, they'll call you up to the front counter. The cashier will smile when she takes your money and get you out of here. Thank you,
Thank you, Your Honor.
counsel.
No, have a good day.
You're all set, sir. We're going to computer it downstairs.
Jeremy, she's waiting for me.
Heather.
Oh, yeah, I just, my notes, but I should remember. I think I can work off memory.
It's just a civil.
Yeah, it was just the act.
Are you coming in for Amani Iwalawar?
Yes,
Come on, man. Paperwork tells me, oh, your appearance.
Christopher Medina, Your Honor, on behalf of Med. Your Honor, with regard to the arraignment, we would waive formal reading and stand mute. I did have the opportunity to speak with my client. She is prepared to plead guilty to allowing a licensed driver to drive as well as respond.
That's not what I got. Oh, that is what that's got. Oh, the scribbles confuse me. Go ahead.
So yes, an allowance in the speed 6 to 10, it will take dismissal of the TWO, the open trucks, and the original stop sign infraction.
Yep. All right. Ma'am, did you discuss your rights with her? Did you understand those rights and the options those rights give you?
All right, things are about to take a serious turn here. Up until now, we've been watching routine courtroom proceedings, traffic violations, plea deals, fines. But what comes next is a completely different level of intensity. We're now stepping into a case involving a violent incident, a fleeing suspect, and a police pursuit that escalates very quickly. Pay attention to the details here, because each moment becomes crucial in establishing what really happened.
Did you understand, or do you understand the possible penalty for allowing an unlicensed driver to operate? Understanding all of these things, are you pleading guilty to that charge today? And are you doing so freely and voluntarily? Did you drive a vehicle in Romulus on August 9, 2025 while your license was suspended, revoked, or denied? Satisfied?
Satisfied, Your Honor. My client now has a valid license. She is a student.
Awesome.
At University. She
Beautiful.
campus. She's a full student. She's also seeking employment. Your Honor, probably part-time employment, right, given her school.
Yep.
That is her current status, Judge. I would ask that the court impose fines and costs.
What are you studying? Good for you. Oh, you're getting there then. You're getting there. How's it going? Good for you. Good for you. All right. You still got family in Romulus?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Anything you want me to consider before I sentence you? There's no magic answer. I'm just giving you a chance. Okay. All right. All right. And your license is reinstated. Okay. All right. So I've dismissed the original charges on the 6 to 10 speeding ticket. Fines and costs are $200. On the allow unlicensed driver to operate, the total on that file is $300 and 3 days on the court work program. We assess work program as an alternative to jail. You pick which 3 days you're scheduled. So hopefully you can work that around your school schedule. All right. So that's $500 total. Can you pay that today, or you need to set something up? Do that downstairs. Any questions? Everything downstairs. Good luck in school.
Thank you so much, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
First is Rena?
Yes.
Go ahead, Ms. Medina.
Crystal Marie Medina, Your Honor, on behalf of Ms. Henry, with regard to the arraignment, we would waive formal readings, and you, Ms. Henry, please state your full name for the record.
Renee.
Thank you, ma'am.
Your Honor, Ms. Henry is prepared to plead responsible to dancing without a license with a fine of $200 in exchange for malicious destruction of property charge would be dismissed, understanding that time would need an opportunity to pay. She would be able to set up a payment at the first floor, Your Honor.
Okay.
On the first floor.
All right, Ms. Henry, is that the way you want to resolve these issues today? All right, fines and costs as agreed, $200. Go downstairs. They'll talk to you about your options.
Thank you very much.
The suspect is detained and placed in custody. Officers recover a 10mm handgun equipped with an illegal automatic switch. During cross-examination, the defense challenges police decision-making, but testimony consistently confirms the suspect's flight, possession of the weapon, and threat to public safety.
Yes, I can hear you.
All right, good morning. All right, Mr. Vargo, I've got a file, incident date July 17, 2025. Failed to display a valid license, sentenced on August 28 to 4 days on the court work program. I understand that's a problem for you.
Yeah, I mean, it's a problem, but I have a solution as well. Sure.
All right, where are you working in?
Where am I working? I'm working downtown Detroit. Are you talking about the community service, or are you talking?
No, I mean, where are you? You got a safety vest on. I'm assuming you're at work. Where are you employed?
No, I'm at court right now. I'm working
okay.
for America Park though. Like I haven't even. I slept 2 hours.
Okay.
I'm in court for a traffic violation.
Okay. And did you say? All right, I'm having trouble hearing you for some reason. But you have a job, right? Go ahead.
Okay, can you hear me now?
Oh, much better. Thank you. So you have a job. You're employed somewhere, right?
Yes.
Yep. All right. Who are you employed by?
It's called SMS Solutions.
What do they do?
Basically, I'm like a cleaner right now.
Okay. All right. And what kind of shift do you work?
Graveyard shift. It's horrible.
So what you go
It's
in?
anywhere between second shift and third shift.
Okay. So what's that look like? When are you usually done working? What time you clock out?
Today I clocked out at 5:30 in the morning, 6 a.m. in the morning.
Okay. All right. So what's the problem with you doing the work program that was ordered?
Now this is where investigators begin connecting the dots. Police identify a burgundy Chevy Malibu leaving the scene of the shooting. In criminal cases like this, the vehicle itself can become a key piece of evidence. Surveillance cameras, traffic cams, witness statements. Every one of those tools can help confirm whether this car was truly involved in the incident. And just like that, the situation escalates. Driving against traffic is already extremely dangerous, but crashing into a tree signals something even bigger: panic. Suspects often make reckless decisions when they know law enforcement is closing in, and that panic can lead to mistakes that investigators later use to build a stronger case. This moment is absolutely critical. When the suspect exits the vehicle and the handgun falls from his body, that creates a direct physical link between the individual and the weapon. In court, this type of evidence can be incredibly powerful. Prosecutors can argue possession, intent, and proximity, all from a single moment captured by officers on the scene.
And just like that, the chase comes to an end. The suspect is located, ordered to the ground, and taken into custody without further resistance. From a legal perspective, this is exactly what officers aim for: contain the threat, prevent further danger, and secure the suspect safely. But the real question moving forward is, what charges will ultimately stick, and how strong is the evidence prosecutors now have?
So my job is in Detroit. I get a ride to my job. I stay probably like 40, anywhere between 30 to 40 minutes, depending on if I'm at my girlfriend's house or if I'm at my family's house. It's really just my ride and stuff like that.
All right, so you're living in Detroit and it's transportation issue to get out here to Romulus. Is that the problem?
Yeah, yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
That's why I was trying to, that's why I presented to the court. I actually had my counselor call. I'm doing community service through my counselor center where I clean up around the building, restock stuff, help with paperwork.
Where are you counseling at?
It's called the Detroit Recovery Project. It's on West Grand Boulevard. In
Yep.
Detroit.
I'm familiar. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
And I already have 210 hours to do. I think I completed 50 or so or whatever.